Hello and a very warm welcome. Greetings from CCube Academy, Chandigarh. In this video session, we are going to learn how to use since enduring in English. Since enduring are English prepositions related to time. So it is very important for us to use them correctly and with confidence. So let's get right to it. Now let's study during first with examples. The preposition during is used together with nouns to say that something has happened within a certain time period. The preposition during is used before a noun, that is, during plus the noun to say when something happens. For example, I was in France during the winters. Or, Jim fell asleep during the film. Or, we met a lot of people during our holiday in Hawaii. Now take note that it does not tell us how long an action happened, as for is used to say how long it lasts. For example, I stayed with my paternal family for 3 weeks. Take note, it is used for a part of a period of time. For example, Catherine met him during lunch. Or, there is no school during October. Now let's study since with examples. The preposition since is used to indicate a starting point after which the action continues. For example, I haven't seen him since 2007. Or, it has been drizzling since morning. So take note, between a past time and now, we use since plus the start of a period. For example, Clay hasn't slept since yesterday. Or, I have been studying Turkish since 2016. Or, I haven't eaten French food since I left France. And the last one is, we have been living here since 1995. It is normally used with the present perfect. For example, he has been skiing since his childhood. And since also has another meaning with no reference to time. For example, since John didn't study, he didn't pass the exam. So that's about it for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to learn more. Contact CCube Academy Chandigarh in order to join our online and offline batches for IELTS and spoken English. Thank you and have a nice day. But do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.